Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to clean moringa leaves easily, ensuring they are ready for your culinary uses. First, carefully pluck the fresh moringa leaves from their stems, making sure to discard any yellowed, damaged, or insect-eaten ones. You want only the best leaves. Next, prepare a large, clean bowl filled with cool, fresh water. This initial step is crucial for removing the first layer of dust and debris from your precious greens. Now, submerge all the moringa leaves completely in the cool water. Gently swish them around with your hands for about 1 minute, allowing any loose dirt to fall off. After this initial agitation, let the leaves soak undisturbed for 5 to 10 minutes. This soaking period is incredibly effective at loosening any stubborn dirt particles or tiny insects that might be clinging to the leaves, making the subsequent cleaning much easier and more thorough for you. After the soaking, carefully lift the moringa leaves from the dirty water, leaving the sediment behind, and discard the water. Refill your bowl with fresh, clean water for a second, more thorough rinse. Rinse the leaves again, ensuring all dirt is completely gone. It is important to visually inspect every single leaf to confirm its complete cleanliness. If you notice any remaining debris, simply repeat the rinsing process one more time for perfect results. Once your moringa leaves are sparkling clean, it is time to dry them. Gently pat the leaves dry with a soft, clean cloth or paper towels. For a quicker method, you can use a salad spinner to remove excess water efficiently. It is crucial that the leaves are completely dry before storage to prevent spoilage. Store your perfectly cleaned and dried moringa leaves in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 7 days, ready for your next healthy meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.